We will be using an application called Slides. Slides is something made by Google, just like Google Classroom is made by Google, just like Docs is made by Google. So we will get to this assignment from your classroom. So you would click on the assignment and it would take you to this page, which I have given to you. So to edit text, which means to change something, you have to double click. There is a text box here already, so I could double click on that and I could press backspace and I could type in my name. Now, if you would like to, let's say you want to type something somewhere else and you realize that you're having trouble, some people will accidentally click on a text box and delete it. So then if you accidentally delete the place where the text or the words is supposed to go, I'm clicking on this, I can't get it to open. I can't put anything there. So what you have to do is to insert a text box. So to put in a text box, I've clicked on the little T, text box. If I hover over it, it says text box underneath it. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag my mouse to create the place where I want the words to go. Now, I can end up making the words pretty small. It's kind of hard to see. So instead of making it that small, I'm going to get rid of those. I'm going to change the size of my words. Here is my font size. And I'm going to go ahead and make that about a 36. So the bigger the number, the bigger the size of the words or the numbers. My grade is I can put a 2. I can make it a second. I can write the word second if I want to. Okay, now let's go ahead and look over here at this page. So if you want to insert a picture, what we can do is we can go to this icon right here that says image. It looks like a little mountain. I can click on image. I can go to search the web. So my favorite food is cheese. So I can search the word cheese and press enter. I like some good, ooh, this looks like cheddar. I really like some cheddar. So I'm going to click on this picture and I can drag it into here if I would want. I can do it that way. Or I can click on it and, oh yeah, double click, 1, 2. That also puts it in here. Okay, so there's a couple different ways you can go about doing it. And actually, a third way is, let's say I was searching for cheese again. I could even, that's a good picture too. I can scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom here, it says insert. So I have my picture selected. It says one selected. I can click insert. And actually, I've changed my mind now on which picture I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and, I like this one. I'm going to scoot it to the side. So I click on my picture. I know I have a picture selected. If it has this blue line around it, these blue squares, I'm going to drag it to the side. To get rid of these ones I don't like, I'm going to click on it. I know I have it because it has the blue outline and the blue squares. And I can press backspace. So this one looks good to go, but it's obviously way too big. So to make it smaller, you grab onto one of these points. There's some in the middle and some on the corners. So if you grab one in the middle, it's going to squish it and that picture doesn't look correct anymore. I don't really like how that looks. So I'm going to press undo. Control Z is a keyboard shortcut. The same thing as if I grab the bottom, it's going to squish it the wrong way that I don't want it to. So if I grab it by a corner, it's going to keep it the size that I want. Drag, 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 drag. Okay. Click, drag it over here. I made it too small. It's okay. I'll grab a corner again, pull it, and then we're good to go. And those are a few basic starting tips for putting in pictures and words.